Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Badoo dating application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Badoo and start your search. Now from the search results, once you find the Badoo dating application, go ahead and tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Badoo application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the application. And now once the application is opened up, you can proceed with signing up and creating a new account or logging into your existing one to directly start using the Badoo dating app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Badoo dating application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.